This is Jay again with PRC. Just doing a follow up based on what's going on here. So, for UJ, as you can see, the target we did project it did hit perfectly, as you can see, and then began its retracement. I haven't been in the market for all this, I'm just observing it because obviously this was the move. And if you're curious how we came to that analysis, I did a video on it on Monday, doing the weekly outlook, and based on the news here, as you can see, this is kind of what played in our favor overall, with two of the red folders being positive, one being neutral, the other one barely being negative. It wasn't too bad. In terms of the projection itself, we're just kind of waiting, flowing it out. As you can see, this area is still valid and being respected. So really all I want to do is just drag this, possibly just do a new fib. The new fib would just be based on this level right here. So this is going to be pretty simple. We're going to grab this lowest point here. We're going to drag it to like about right here. And we're going to observe a little further. As you can see, we do have this little channel or whatever. I'm disrespecting it, but there is no form of breakout or anything yet. When we look deeper, as you can see, it is just kind of flowing right now. So for UJ, there might not be any more moves this week. It's Thursday the 15th. So there might not be any more moves this week, but we can just kind of keep an eye on this. This could just come down again, find itself, correct itself, so on and so forth. But we are bullish overall. So we'll kind of leave this one alone for now. For US30, as you can see, nothing much has really happened. We do have these targets, but clearly they are yet to be hit. This, I'm pretty sure that's from previous markup, but it's kind of annoying, so we'll get that out the way. But as you can see, trendline is being respected. The one we drew last time, as you can see, still being respected. Bounce off continued. So there's still volume here. We still just want to see the break of like right here. If we can get that break, that'd be pretty cool. That would enable this move and give us opportunity. Obviously it's 2 p.m. There might not be a move this week. Tomorrow might be the beginning of a move. And essentially, I don't want to change my fibs. It's still 38.2. It's still dramatic movements, as this is. It's respecting this area. So I do expect it to just continue hit this target, but based on the resistance, it's probably not going to be as strong to just shoot up here. It'll probably just hit here. Then again, this is a channel as well, so it could, but it's better to just play it safe. This is about 500 points anyways. Fantastic for US30. If you were to try to look for an opportunity tomorrow based on that breakout, it would really have to be based on this area. I really wouldn't want to pull it down past maybe this area, honestly. And I would really project for here, but hitting here could be a dub, although that's not high R to R. It's basically just one. You kind of want this 2 or higher R to R, ideally 2.5 or higher, but whatever. This is like the ultimate target. This is a more viable target if it does that break and respects it and continues. When we break it down further, as you can see, there is price action. It keeps crossing, so we know volatility is there. We just kind of want to see it flow again, break this area, because then that's a lot of candlesticks it has to overpower, right? Including what's current actually. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, like 30 at least, or whatever, based on this as well. So this is just what you call a retest. It's just market structure. These are the targets. We were spot on with UJ. Generally tend to be humbly, so if I may say. I think we're just gonna thug this one out and just kind of see how it is. The analyses are both still very relevant, valid. So we just kind of leave it. Reason why I'm not drawing like negative fibs or anything on this is because this overall level has been maintained. Maybe if this level breaks and then it becomes like a retest and it continues downward based on where it breaks at, then maybe we'll switch bias. Until then, as you can see, based on the moving averages, it's still, you know, kind of slow or whatever. So we just gotta kind of let it do its thing. But yeah, we'll do another video tomorrow, following up with everything. I know that I missed yesterday. I kind of just overslept. I worked a night shift and I tried to stay up to do it and I couldn't. I just passed out, slept all day. But that's why I'm getting it out now. And we'll follow along this Thursday into the Friday. I haven't reviewed any of this, so we'll review all of this. I know we got like unemployment and stuff like that. And then we'll come back tomorrow, kind of see how things look. Those are my projections. Again, feel free to follow me on here. You know, followers go up most days. We could do this. You know, my first goal is 1K. The more people we reach, the more people we can benefit. As you can see, this was a UJ right here, that trend line that I drew. And as you can see, we were at 157-ish. Here, as you can see, we hit that first target at 158. And then, where is it? As you can see here, it ended up hitting 159. So, spot on projection. And yeah, I'll catch you guys later.